Namaste. In last video, we understood the oral consumption of the human urine. Here, in this part, we will understand the nasal ingestion, that is Nasya Panam of shivambu. Nasal urine drinking is a traditional yogic technique. In Ayurveda, it is called as Nasya Panam and is considered as an important technique. So what way to do in this? What should be the sample? In sample, the fresh urine of any time can be used for nasal drinking. How much should be the dosage? At least 10 to 15 ml of fresh urine from either nostril one can drink. What should be the procedure? Actually, a specially designed vessel or a cup is used for nasal urine drinking. While nasal drinking, one has to breathe through mouth and then with a siphoning effect, the urine automatically flows down in the throat. This is very effective process which needs to be done with a relaxed and calm temperament. One can drink urine directly through both the nostril at once using a cup. However, this requires some skill and practice. My father was advocating urine drinking through the nose. What are the indications? This can be practiced by any person. It is very useful in various neurological conditions like epilepsy, hemiplegia, Parkinson's, Alzheimer disease, and even in allergic conditions. What is the immediate effect of nasal drinking? This practice has decongestant effect. It gently activates the cranial nerve endings present in the nasopharynx, which in turn triggers the positive immune response in the body. There is second technique of using urine for a nose is nasal wash, that is popularly known as neti kriya in yogic techniques. So in this, sample should be 150 to 200 ml fresh urine of any time can be used for nasal wash. Actually, a specially designed vessel or a neti pot is used for nasal wash. Again here, with siphon effect, urine enters in through one nostril and comes out from other nostril. So, what are the indications? This can be practiced by any person. It helps to clean the pranic nadis. It is useful in various respiratory and allergic conditions like asthma, allergic rhinitis, psoriasis, eczema, and even COPDs. What is the immediate effect? It relieves nasal and bronchial congestion and it helps to expel out excessive cough and pulgum, and thereby it helps to desensitize the hypersensitivity of a nasal and bronchial tracts. In various naturopathy schools, neti kriya is being taught, wherein we use alkaline warm water. Here, in place of alkaline warm water, one can use a fresh urine and experience the benefits of urine neti. Thank you.